We defeated an opponent with approximately 2 million CP more than us by utilizing the faction counter. How is this possible in Dark War Survival? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. CP has become a less reliable measure in battle since the introduction of the faction counter. Today's video will discuss how we select heroes and the CP gap approach using the faction counter system. Trend. Faction counter provides bonus troop damage when our formation counters the opponent. This can have both advantages and disadvantages. If the opponent is countering us, we are at a disadvantage. Although we can't control the faction choices of our opponents, we can select our own faction based on current trends. Observing the arena shows that over 90% of players are using the fighter faction. If we choose the shooter faction, we can gain extra troop damage against more than 90% of those players. While the rider faction counters the shooter faction, we don't need to worry too much about them, as they make up less than 10% of the player base, meaning the chances of running into that counter are low. That's a good deal. Let's make the changes. Heroes. We are switching our primary formation from fighter to shooter. Switching factions has become much easier since we can freely replace hero equipment and reset hero skills. Fortunately, we have unlocked all orange shooter heroes at 3 stars and above. However, we have only 4 of them, so we need one more hero to complete our formation. Should we choose the 5-star purple Cecilia or the 4-star Guy? According to a previous video, Guy should outperform Cecilia due to better attributes and CP. Does that still hold true after the update? Let's find out. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Faction counter. Some players wonder if they should pick 3, 4, or 5 heroes from the same faction after the update. For example, having 5 heroes from the same faction provides a 35% boost in troop damage against an opponent, while having 4 heroes yields a 25% boost. But does a higher troop damage bonus always equate to better performance in battle? To find out, we conducted several tests against an opponent with 33.7 million CP, changing one hero at a time between Cecilia, Cyrus, and Guy. Ultimately, the combination featuring Guy emerged as the winner. This led us to observe that combat power plays a crucial role in the outcome of battles. Cecilia and Cyrus have lower CP than Guy. Cecilia is a purple hero, and Cyrus is only at 3 stars. Consequently, the formation with Cecilia and Cyrus totals 30.1 million CP, while the one with Guy reaches 31.8 million CP. 30.1 million is nearly a 4 million CP gap lower than the opponent. It is exceedingly difficult to secure a victory against someone with that much additional CP despite the 35% troop damage bonus. The result suggests we pick the highest CP hero available to fill the last spot. In our case, Guy is the best option. CP gap. From the tests, we note that a 2 million CP gap is what we can win with a faction counter bonus. Thus, we can take the 2 million CP gap as a guideline when picking a fight that leverages the faction counter bonus. However, your CP gap may differ from ours due to variations in hero level, star ratings, and equipment. It's essential to test your formation to determine your CP gap. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.